So dear students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the human excretory system, and it is a vital organ for any animals because so excretion. First of all, we are going to discuss excretion. What is the meaning of excretion? So excretion is the removal of nitrogenous waste from body. So it is the removal of elimination of nitrogenous waste from body. Okay, so human excretory system consists of a pair of kidney, a pair of ureter, a urinary bladder, and a urethra. So these all have their special functions in excretion. So, kidney is also called the osmoregulatory organ. Kidney is also called osmoregulatory organ because osmo means here when we differentiate it, so osmo means water. Osmo means water. Or regulation, regulatory, regulate like fan. We have fan in our home, and that is connected with the regulator. So regulator is just increasing or decreasing the speed of the fan like that. So kidney is also osmoregulatory organs. Means when we are taking more water, then it will evacuate more in form of urine. And when we are not taking water at that day, we will see that the excretion of the excretory urine volume is very less. So it is called osmoregulatory organ. Means it just maintain the homeostasis. It just maintain the homeostasis of blood or the volume of blood or plasma. We can say plasma. So kidney are reddish brown in color. Kidney are reddish brown in color. Bean-shaped structure. The structure of this kidney is bean-shaped. Bean. Okay. The position of this kidney is between the level of last thorax. This is thorax. So this is thorax. It has bone. So 12 pair both sides, including 12 pair. So thorax. So last level of thoracic and third lumbar vertebra. So this is lumbar region. So third lumbar vertebra. So the situation of or it is situated in the last thoracic and the third lumbar vertebra. So you have discussed in locomotory or skeleton system about this thoracic and lumbar vertebra. So position of this kidney is the right kidney is slightly lower. Right kidney is slightly lower than left kidney because ठीक है सो राइट किडनी जो है थोड़ा सा पोजीशन में थोड़ा लोअर है और लेफ्ट किडनी थोड़ा ऊपर है ओके सो ड्यू टू liver or the inner wall of abdominal cavity so liver is situated in this position and due to this liver so right kidney is slightly lower than left one and it is just below so both things are just below the diaphragm. So diaphragm is the main respiratory organ. So we have discussed in respiratory chapter. Okay. So diaphragm. Now the actually kidney is at the retroperitoneal cavity, that is either side of vertebral column. So it is situated in either side of vertebral column. So this is vertebral column. So when we will see from that side, here is the floating ribs. So in front of floating ribs and just after the peritoneal cavity, so it is retroperitoneal cavity, either side of vertebral column, outside the peritoneum. So this is the actual position of kidney. Okay. So this is the simple diagram of kidney. So we have both two. You can say one pair of kidney, one pair of ureter. This is urinary bladder, and this is urethra. Here a triangular structure is there that is called trigon. So this is called trigon. So whenever this urination or the filtration taking place and the urine comes inside urinary bladder, here we will see it just exerts a pressure on this trigon. Okay, then this sends signal to the brain, and the sphincter at this position is going to open, and then the process of urine is started. So process of whiting urine is called micturition. Do you know? So process of whiting urine is called micturition. Now we are going to see the longitudinal section of kidney. So here I am just explaining one kidney because the structure of both sides are same. So here I am saying that we are seeing that this is renal capsule. So the kidney is covered with a capsule. Have you heard capsule tablet? Capsule. What we are seeing here, capsule, it is the outer covering. Inside that we are seeing the powder, the medicament filled in powder form. So that is called capsule. So this is renal capsule, and the outer part of kidney is called cortex, and the inner part is the medulla. So here we are seeing that the medullary pyramid. So the structure is seems to be medullary pyramid. So pyramid, here medullary rays are there, and between these two medullary pyramid, one renal column is there. Okay. After that, we are seeing here this region is called calyx, and this is the pelvis region. So this region is called pelvis region, and after filtration, urine or the liquid comes in this region, then it is connected with or it goes outside through urethra. Sorry, ureter to the urinary bladder, then after urethra, so it will pass outside of the body. Here, the renal arteries are also there, and renal veins are also there. So these both things are supplying oxygenated and deoxygenated blood to kidney. So oxygenated blood comes through renal arteries, and deoxygenated blood goes through renal vein for oxygenation. Okay. So this is the diagrammatic representation, or we can say that the long section of kidney. After that, the apparent arteriole. When we see the structure of woman's capsule, so here we will see this is PCT, this is woman's capsule, this is afferent arteriole, afferent. So blood is coming by this route, goes to the glomerular capillaries, and then after it comes out by efferent arteriole. So the diameter, you see the diameter. So afferent arteriole has more diameter, and efferent arteriole has less diameter. Due to this difference in diameter, a pressure is created here. Then the blood is going to filter. So blood has to pass, or the plasma has to pass with this membrane. Here is the basement membrane, and then after the membrane of